So nowadays there are a lot of people making money online. So I'm going to categorize these ways into several steps you need to follow. So for the first category is the social media category. For the social media category, content creators, or you have to create content. So for the freelancing category, it is a fantastic way of monetizing your skills. In this freelancing category, you'll be able to offer your services to clients on the platform, and clients also post work or project for you, the freelancer, to find that work, the work that suits you. Okay, so to succeed in freelancing, you need to focus on developing in demand skills. I mean the skills you are capable of working on, such as designing, logo designing, translation, transcripting, and so on. And so the next one, creating a strong profile. I mean the profile that's going to verify you, or that's going to make you someone trustworthy for your clients to work with you. And for the next one is the delivering high quality work. I mean posting skills that are high quality with your certificate. And the next one is marketing yourself, making in such a way that you are finding clients so that you can work with them. So some popular freelancing platforms are the Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and so on. So I will encourage you to work on this category. It's fetching a lot of freelancer, a lot of money. You just need to find a skill you are capable of doing. So let's move to the next category, which is the online survey. So for the online survey, a lot of people are also earning on the online survey. It means answering questions which are given to you. You need to find a survey platform. So for the next category is the online survey. So for the online survey, it deals with sharing your opinions or ideas concerning products, services to gain extra money. So some people are much earning on this platform. So I will encourage you to engage in online survey to earn extra cash. You can earn rewards, gift cards, points, which you can redeem as some money. This is fetching a lot of people with money, so I will encourage you to find one. So this such popular online surveys are the Swag Bags, the Survey Junkies, Inbox Dollars, Tulana, Pepsi Survey Ghana. So all these platforms are online surveys you can engage in. So I will encourage you to engage in so that you can earn money in this 2025 year. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Caribless. Please subscribe and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bar. Goodbye.